Hello, my name is Petra, and today I'll show you how to easily set up your Reservio account. Together, we will add your first services, add team members, and set opening hours, so you can start accepting bookings right away. Let's get started. First, we'll add your services. In the top navigation, go to Settings and select Services. Click on the button Add New Service and fill in the details, such as the service name, duration of the service, the price of the service, and add any staff members. Don't forget to hit the Save button. Now let's set your staff and opening hours. We'll stay in the settings, but now go for the staff section. Click on the Add Staff button and fill in the details, such as the name, assign services, email address, and don't forget to set the custom booking hours. This way you have full control over who's available and when. Don't forget to save. Now let's move to your booking page. It's ready for you as soon as you have created your account. In the top navigation, go to Online Booking, copy the link, and share with your customers. You can also customize your booking page by adding your logo, brand colors, or background. Now, to help clients remember their appointments, we'll set up automated messages. We'll go back to Settings and go to Messages section. We'll easily determine whether we want to send email or SMS message and set up the content. For example, the booking reminder. We'll set up the text message, see the preview, and enable the sending. And that's it. Your account is now ready and you can start accept first bookings. You can always go back to the settings and explore more features such as the online payments, loyalty program, or point of sale system.